Those guys do bad things. They work for Slim George.
Slim George is cool though. He buys everyone's stuff like soda and ice cream and stuff.
Yeah, that's cool, but the way he gets the money, it's not cool.
Whatever Slim George is doing, I want to do the same thing. He's paid. Don't you want money like that?
Yeah, I want to have a lot of money when I get older, and I want you to have cake too. But our money is going to be legit. We ain't going to sell drugs like Slim and the other dudes over there.
You mean they're drug dealers, Ty?
Yeah, no, they're going to end up dead or in jail. You want that?
Nah, man, I'm going to be a doctor with a big house and a flower wifey and a big...
Me too, but we got to get it right from the gate. That's why we don't play ball with them guys, because we ain't on the same road at all.
That grandma said birds of a feather flock together, right?
Exactly, Nas. Exactly right.
Pass the ball, little man.